good night everyone.
Good night.
Good night.
Welcome back to our channel.
The Parchment Fam.
So tonight we got another exclusive. So
Call it.
yeah, so basically what we're gonna do tonight is our kids, whenever they go to Jamaica and they come back,
They
they
always
all,
wanna
as
go
soon
back.
as they get back they want to go back. So tonight we want to actually find out
why. What is it about Jamaica?
What is it
that
about
really
Jamaica that
entices
really
them?
entices them for them to want to go back that quick and that much. So here we go. I've never asked them this question before, so we're gonna find where it's just as new to us as it's gonna be to you tonight. So
Okay,
let's
so
go. So
we're gonna start with
we're gonna start with you, the big one right here. So what do you like about Jamaica? Why you wanna go back?
I like it because
look at the camera.
it never be cold because every day is so hot that we can go to the beach every day.
But it's the same in Florida.
Because it's cold in this season right now.
Sometimes we get cold at Jamaica too. You just never go in at the time where it's
Yeah, that's, sometimes it's cool, but you never go in that time. You
Yeah.
always go in the summertime. That's why it's always hot. What else you like?
What is it like about Jamaica?
I don't like Jamaica.
Only the beach. What else?
That's it? Like why you always why you wanna go back to Jamaica right now? Why do you wanna go back to Jamaica right now?
Because it's fun there.
It's fun?
Yeah,
What's so fun about it?
Because there's not like sharks at the beach and stuff that we
It's
can
the
go
beach
in
is
the
the
water.
only thing that
What about what do you do when you
like that's the only reason why you wanna go back to Jamaica, the beach?
Yeah.
That's the only thing that you do there?
No.
What else that you do there that you wanna go back?
That because like in the videos they already know that we have a big field at Jamaica, so we can play.
You have a big field? That's what you call
It's
it.
called a yard.
A big field.
That's my turn. And
Your turn? Okay.
And there's a backyard where like chickens and the goats are and stuff.
Like the animals,
Yeah, and the rabbits.
like a farm.
Yeah.
Animal farm. What do you like, Jayana?
I want to go to the beach.
That's it? You like to go to the beach?
What else?
What else do you like about Jamaica?
I like the Jamaica beach.
You like the Jamaica beach?
Yeah.
That's it?
Who you want to go back to Jamaica to see again?
Because what?
I want to go back to the beach.
You want to go back to the beach?
Yeah.
Well, you know what about
That's one thing I don't like about there's no internet.
That's what you like?
Yeah, but no internet.
You like there's no internet and you don't like that?
Something what I like about no internet.
That you don't like?
That I do like that about it.
You like that there's no internet in Jamaica?
No, I like the fact
at the
that
house?
Oh,
I like the fact that you don't have no ads when you play games because there's no internet. There's no internet.
What? So
Yeah,
that's strange.
yeah. First time hearing that. You like on the road? Or no?
Do you like the food?
Yeah.
If you can't give us some good reason why you like Jamaica, we not go back to Jamaica. Why we go back to Jamaica then?
I like soup. And
You like soup?
bun and cheese.
Bun and cheese.
Bun and soup and a bun and cheese.
And what else?
You know the sausage thing what they make in Jamaica?
Oh,
when
the
you come here?
Jamaican hot dog.
Oh, the hot dog that
Yeah,
you're
the
crazy
Jamaican
over.
sausages, they're good.
And a hot dog too.
Hmm.
A hot
What
dog
else?
too.
You like play outside?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Who else? You like play with the dog them outside?
Yeah. Except for the white one. He's killing me.
Wait, what one mean?
dog outside. Yeah.
What else you like doing in Jamaica?
I like climbing up on the tree.
You like it? I bet me never see you climb a tree.
Because you never work, I do it when you don't work.
You climb tree? Which one of the tree you
You never
climb?
climb tree.
The tree where the
Oh, probably where the aki tree limb fall off, they climb up on the limb on the ground.
The stump?
Yeah, it's a
Tree
stump.
stump comes
It's a
in.
tree
I know
stump.
you can't.
the small tree. You remember last time with the small tree where the ants bite my knee?
Don't remember Chunky.
Oh, the orange tree.
Oh yeah, the small one, man.
But they always climb up on, remember?
Oh yeah.
The sour, what name?
That is also an orange tree.
Sour orange tree.
Orange and neighbor fruit.
I don't know, is you one in the front of you?
That was the time when I was bad at that climbing. Now I'm good.
No, you're good? What?
You like morning strolling in the lane.
Oh yeah, and then I get exercise when I get to run.
Yeah, so you get to be more active. That's the thing. What next wild you like about Jamaica?
It doesn't really matter, one on the talk.
What you like about Jamaica again, Jenna? What else?
I gotta watch some corned beef, Jamaica.
Rice and corned beef.
We never
So she
had
like
rice and corned
eat rice and corned beef in Jamaica.
We never had one. We didn't get it in Jamaica.
What about crab? You remember you gave me boiled crab?
Yeah, I
Remember
didn't
the
eat
spider?
one. It's not spiders, the crab.
Gianna thought it's spider.
They already know it.
Alright.
Probably the
What else you like about Jamaica?
when we pick the ackee, when we get to bring it here and we get to eat it.
All you talk about is food. You love your belly, sir.
He was.
Jesus.
You pick Aki, you remember mango?
Oh yeah, my favorite.
What's my favorite?
Mango your favorite?
Yeah, it tastes so good.
What
It tastes good.
What else you like?
Picking oranges.
Pick orange.
Yeah.
Pick orange.
What else?
Why?
Playing with cards once.
Really?
That was cards. Kids.
You mean your neighbor them like play with the neighbors?
Yeah.
I'm not playing the neighbors.
Do you like Jamaica better than here, or you like it here better than Jamaica?
Which one do you like better, here or Jamaica?
I hate
Kind of
Jamaica.
both.
Both of them?
Yeah.
If you want the best of both worlds.
You prefer it here than Jamaica or both? The same.
Both.
You prefer both?
You like
What?
both of them?
Yeah.
You list everything already what you like about Jamaica? What about jokes? You know, get jokes down here and you laugh.
I chunky about jokes.
I never had a joke down there before.
Well, so I guess that's it for what you like about Jamaica.
That's it for when you like about Jamaica?
That's it?
That's it?
I remember that time when I was at Jamaica and then I woke up in the morning and then the puppy was chasing me and then like he wanted to play with me because he missed me.
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yeah, he was chasing me when he was still there. He was chasing me
Mommy, I'm chasing me.
because he was playing with me.
I'm playing.
So you love that about Jamaica?
That was the only time when he wanted to play with me.
Mommy is my son.
What you like about Jamaica?
At the beach.
That's all I like.
That's
is
all
the-
you talk about the beach.
And the beach too for me.
All I like is the beach.
And the beach too for me.
So
What
that's
else
it
you
then.
like?
That's it. That's it. You don't like about Jamaica.
And when we go to stores and the car. That's my favorite thing.
When you go to the stores,
Yeah.
Mommy, I go to the stores and then buy my bicycle.
Alright, so I guess
this is the end of the
that's
video,
it.
everyone. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, everybody.
What does you want to tell them?
Subscribe, like, share, hit the bell, and comment about what you like about Jamaica.
Alright, say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye. Bye.